Hi Fusion foodies! Want smooth, stretchy, and super easy fondant? In this video, I'm showing you how to make homemade marshmallow fondant using just 3 simple ingredients. It's perfect for beginners and way more affordable than store-bought. Let's get started. We'll need 10 ounces of mini marshmallows, 6 cups of powdered sugar split evenly into 2 bowls, 3 tablespoons of water, and a spatula for mixing. Pour the water over the marshmallows and give it a quick mix. Microwave for 60 seconds, then stir. After that, microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until the marshmallows are fully melted and smooth. I microwaved mine for a total of 2 minutes, 1 60-second round and 2 30-second rounds. Every microwave is different, so just keep an eye on it. You're looking for a smooth, creamy consistency like this. Sift the first 3 cups of powdered sugar into the melted marshmallows. This helps get rid of any clumps for a smoother texture. Mix it in gradually using a spatula. Then sift in the second bowl of powdered sugar. And mix again until it comes together into a sticky dough. Transfer the mixture onto a baking mat or clean surface. To avoid sticky, messy hands, wear gloves and coat them with shortening. It's easier to work with smaller portions, so I like to divide the dough in half and knead 1 piece at a time. Keep kneading until the fondant becomes soft, smooth, and pliable, kind of like thick taffy. After about 5 minutes of kneading, it should look like this. No stickiness, no mess. And just like that, you've made marshmallow fondant. Super easy, super smooth, and perfect for decorating. To store it, coat the fondant with a bit of shortening. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and place it in an airtight container or zip-top bag. Keep it at room temperature in a cool, dry place, not in the fridge. It'll stay soft for up to 2 weeks. Check out my separate video where I show you exactly how to color fondant into a bold red, not dark pink, and a true black without that dull gray look. And don't miss the full-length video where I use this fondant to decorate a super easy Mickey Mouse cake. It's fun, simple, and perfect for any celebration. Thanks for watching, Fusion Foodies. Keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you in the next video.